The next area of study is Cochabamba, Bolivia, the fourth largest city in Bolivia with a population of over 600,000. Cochabamba has been inhabited due to its productive soil for thousands of years, but recently it has seen damaging effects from soil degradation. Large contributors to the industry of Cochabamba include chicken farming and food processing, along with potato, grain, sugar cane, and coffee agriculture. This area has a large threat as agriculture is still a large contributor to the economy of the city, and as the soil continues to degrade, the economic impacts will get worse and worse. The region is vulnerable as it has been overfarmed for many years now, and the foothold the chicken industry has in this area will likely not digress until the soils are completely dead and there are not any more local crops to feed the livestock. In terms of environmental change, I think once the soils are dead in this area, it will be more prone to floods if a major storm were to hit. I believe once the soils are dead, the city will not be prosperous and people will start to leave the area. I think that there are not many reasonable solutions, as much of the city depends on this agriculture. The area would need to find other means for its economy to rely on, and that can be hard to do when there are not as many resources around.